Hello adventurers, welcome to the Travel Adventure channel. We're about to embark on a Greek odyssey, starting with the vibrant city of Athens. Today, embarking on an exciting journey that transcends time and space. We're voyaging to a land where myths come alive, where ancient ruins tell tales of glory and grandeur, where the sun-kissed beaches meet the azure sea. Yes, we're taking you to Greece, a cradle of Western civilization, a country that is a harmonious blend of history, culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. So sit back, relax, and let's set sail on this Greek odyssey together. Our first stop, the awe-inspiring capital city of Athens, a city that effortlessly marries the past and the present, a city that embodies the of Greece. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates on this incredible journey. So, are you ready to explore? Let's dive in. Next, we're heading to the awe-inspiring city of Athens. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to explore Greece? Your journey starts here, in Athens, the birthplace of democracy and philosophy. Picture this, the first rays of the sun gently kissing the marble pillars of the majestic Acropolis, the city's crown jewel, illuminating its timeless grandeur. This ancient citadel, perched high above the city, is a testament to Athens' rich history, a symbol of the city's resilience and enduring spirit. As the sun rises, the city wakes up to a fresh day, the Acropolis standing tall, watching over Athens, a guardian from the past. Next, let's take an imaginary stroll to the Parthenon, the heart of the Acropolis. A temple dedicated to Athena, the city's patron goddess, the Parthenon is a marvel of Doric architecture. Each column, each stone, whispers tales of ancient gods and heroes, of myths and legends woven into the fabric of time. The Parthenon is not just a monument, it's a testament to the genius of ancient Greeks, an ode to their love, art, and culture. From the heights of the Acropolis, we descend into the lively atmosphere of Plaka. This neighborhood, nestled at the foot of the Acropolis, is a maze of charming cobblestone streets lined with colorful houses, blooming flowers, and traditional tavernas. The aroma of freshly brewed Greek coffee mingles with the scent of souvlaki cooking on open grills. The strumming of a bouzouki, the laughter of locals, the clinking of glasses all contribute to the symphony of everyday life in Athens. And as the day draws to a close, the city transforms under the golden glow of the setting sun. The Acropolis, the Parthenon, and the streets of Plaka all bask in the warm hues, offering a sight to behold, a memory to cherish. Athens, a city where ancient history and modern vibrancy coexist beautifully, leaves an indelible mark on every traveler. This city, steeped in history and brimming with life, invites you to lose yourself in its charm, to experience its stories, its culture, its soul. Welcome to Athens, the awe-inspiring capital of Greece, love. Now let's travel to the magical island of Santorini. Picture yourself in this jewel of the Aegean Sea. As you set foot on the island, it's as though you've stepped into a postcard come to life. This is a place where the sea meets the sky in an infinite canvas of azure, punctuated by the gleaming whitewashed architecture that Santorini is famed for. Every corner of the island is teeming with beauty, and the unique whitewashed buildings, with their blue domes reflecting the sea and sky, are no exception. These iconic structures, perched on the island's cliffs, seem to tumble down towards the deep blue Aegean Sea, creating a striking contrast against the backdrop of the azure waters. Santorini is not only about the whitewashed buildings and blue domes, there's a whole other world waiting to be explored. The island's unique black sand beaches are a sight to behold. Born from the island's volcanic past, these beaches offer a stark contrast to the usual white sands, adding a touch of drama to your seaside retreat. The beaches are not just about the sand though. The waters here are crystal clear, offering a perfect mirror to the radiant Greek sky. But what truly sets Santorini apart is the magical experience of its legendary sunsets. Imagine yourself in Oia, a small village perched on the northern tip of the island. As the day slowly comes to a close, the village starts to glow with a warm golden light. The sun, a fiery orb, begins its descent, painting the sky with hues of orange, pink, and red. The world seems to hold its breath, waiting for that perfect moment when the sun kisses the goodbye. This is the Santorini sunset, a spectacle that has enthralled countless travelers over the years. It's a moment when time seems to stand still, a moment that captures the very soul of Santorini. As the sun dips below the horizon, it leaves behind a sky ablaze with color, and the sea reflects this spectacle, creating a panorama that's nothing short of breathtaking. There's something incredibly emotional about witnessing a Santorini sunset. It's a shared experience, a collective gasp of wonder from all those gathered to witness this daily spectacle. It's a moment that ties us all together, a reminder of the beauty that exists in our world. Santorini, with its stunning landscapes and magical sunsets, truly is a slice of heaven on earth. This is a place that has the power to move you, to make you appreciate the beauty of the simple things in life. It's not just a destination, it's an experience, one that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Our journey continues to the lively island of Mykonos. Next, envision the lively nights of this island that never sleeps. Imagine the energy of Mykonos town as the sun sets and the moon takes the helm, transforming this picturesque island into a canvas of twinkling lights and infectious music. This is where the vibrant nightlife of Mykonos town comes alive, with bustling bars and clubs that keep the rhythm of the island pulsing long into the night. In the heart of Mykonos town, the streets vibrate with laughter, music, and the clinking of glasses. The night is young and the town is a kaleidoscope of experiences waiting to be discovered. From chic cocktail bars to pulsating nightclubs, each venue is a world unto itself, offering a unique blend of music, ambience, and signature drinks. But Mykonos is not all about the parties and the nightlife. As the dawn breaks, the island reveals its softer, more laid-back side. The beaches of Mykonos are a pure delight, offering a tranquil escape from the lively town center. Picture yourself lounging on the golden sands, the warm Aegean sun on your skin, the crystal-clear waters inviting you for a refreshing dip. The beaches are a haven of relaxation during the day, a perfect counterpoint to the island's vibrant nightlife. And then there's the charm of Mykonos, embodied in its iconic windmills and the enchanting waterfront of Little Venice. The windmills, standing tall against the azure backdrop of the sky, are a testament to the island's history, harking back to a time when wind power was the driving force of the local economy. Today, they stand as an iconic symbol of Mykonos, a blend of the past and the present that adds to the island's allure. Little Venice, with its colorful houses perched on the edge of the sea, is another gem of Mykonos. This scenic neighborhood, with its narrow streets and charming balconies, is a delight to explore. As you wander through the cobblestone lanes, you'll find quaint boutiques, art galleries, and cozy cafes, each adding to the charm of this enchanting area. As the sun begins to set, find a seat at one of the waterfront tavernas, order a glass of local wine, and watch as the sun paints the sky with hues of pink and orange, reflecting off the tranquil waters of the Aegean Sea. Mykonos, with its pulsating energy and charismatic charm, is sure to captivate your heart. On this island, every moment is a celebration, every corner holds a surprise, and every sunset is a spectacle. So come, lose yourself in the magic of Mykonos, and let the island's spirit sweep you off your feet. Next, we're off to Crete, the island of legends. Crete, the largest Greek island, beckons us our next exploration spot. A place where the lines between reality and myth blur. It's a living tapestry of history and natural splendor. This isn't merely an island, but a microcosm brimming with hidden gems and experiences begging to be discovered. We initiate our expedition at the ancient ruins of Knossos, the largest Bronze Age archaeological site on Crete and reputed as Europe's oldest city. We plunge into a realm of fables where the mythical Minotaur once stalked the labyrinth, a masterpiece by the legendary craftsman Daedalus. As we stride through the remnants of this once grand palace, we can sense the whispers of the ancient Minoan civilization, their artistry, spirituality, and daily life, narrating tales of an era long gone. From the echoes of an ancient civilization, we then voyage into the untamed allure of the Samaria Gorge. As one of the lengthiest gorges in Europe, it's a haven for hikers, stretching over 16 kilometers of rough terrain. The transit through the gorge is a spectacle to behold, with soaring cliffs, tight passages, and an array of flora and fauna. As you navigate this awe-inspiring terrain, the grandeur and majesty of nature are impossible to ignore. Ultimately, we find ourselves at Elafonisi Beach, a sanctuary of serenity and natural elegance. This isn't your typical beach, but a dreamscape rendered in hues of pink and turquoise. The sand, sprinkled with coral tones, contrasts beautifully with the crystal-clear turquoise waters. As you dip your toes into the warm sea, a wave of tranquility washes over you. This is the quintessential spot to unwind, letting the rhythmic cadence of the waves lull you into a peaceful state of mind. Crete, an island of fables, is a place where the past and present intertwine, where ancient ruins murmur stories of mythical beings, wild landscapes dare you to explore, and unspoiled beaches beckon you to relax. Above all, it promises an unforgettable journey, one that will linger in your memory long after you've bid farewell to its shores. Crete, an island of legends and natural beauty, promises an unforgettable journey. Finally, we're journeying to Rhodes, where history comes alive. This island, a time capsule of history, is one of the largest in the Dodecanese and a masterpiece where time seems to have paused, allowing the past and present to coexist in perfect harmony. Our exploration begins in the medieval old town of Rhodes. As we meander through its labyrinthine alleyways, we are transported back to an era of knights and castles. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, encircled by impressive fortification walls, is one of the best preserved medieval towns in Europe. The cobblestone streets, the towering arches, the grandeur of the ancient buildings all whisper from a bygone era. In the heart of the old town stands the magnificent palace of the Grand Master. A testament to the rich history of Rhodes, the palace was initially built in the 7th century as a Byzantine citadel before being converted into a palace by the Knights of St. John in the 14th century. As we marvel at the stunning mosaics, the intricate woodwork, and the grand halls echoing with stories of knights and grand masters, we realize that this palace is not just a building, it's a voyage through time, a journey through centuries of art, architecture, and history. Yet, Rhodes is not all about the past. As we step out of the fortress walls, we find ourselves in streets vibrant with life, the heartbeat of the island. Cozy tavernas, local boutiques, and lively markets line these bustling streets, serving as a delightful contrast to the tranquility of the old town. The aroma of traditional Greek cuisine fills the air, the sound of laughter and chatter resonates in the streets, and the warm hospitality of the locals invites you to immerse yourself in their daily life. Here, history isn't confined to museums or ancient ruins. It's alive in every corner, every stone, every face. It's seen in the age-old traditions that the locals still uphold, the folklore they share with visitors, and the way they have preserved their heritage whilst embracing modernity. Rhodes is more than just a destination. It's about immersing oneself in a rich cultural tapestry, exploring remnants of ancient civilizations, and engaging with a vibrant local culture that welcomes you with open arms. It's about discovering a place where history isn't just remembered, but celebrated every day. And so Rhodes, where history comes alive amid a vibrant culture, concludes our incredible Greek Odyssey. As our Greek Odyssey comes to an end, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've undertaken. We hope you've relished the voyage as much as we have. From the awe-inspiring sunrise at the Acropolis in Athens to the emotional spectacle of a Santorini sunset, the enchantment of Greece has unfolded before our eyes. We've plunged ourselves in the lively atmosphere of Mykonos, savored the tranquility of Crete's pink sands, and journeyed back in time in the medieval old town of Rhodes. This adventure has merely skimmed the surface of what Greece has in store. There are countless more islands to explore, dishes to savor, and traditions to uncover. Every corner of Greece opens up a new opportunity to connect with its rich history, vibrant culture, and hospitable people. Prioritize Greece for your next travel destination and experience the hospitality of its people, the richness of its history, and the vibrancy of its culture. Subscribe for more travel inspiration and kickstart planning your own Greek adventure today. Before we say goodbye, we invite you to engage with our Odyssey. As we conclude our Greek journey, we extend an invitation to you, embodying the Greek tradition of philoxenia, or love of strangers, to become a part of our passionate community of travelers. If this voyage through the bewitching landscapes has captivated you as much as it has, we kindly ask you to hit the like button. This simple click goes a long way in sustaining our efforts to bring you more such explorations. Sharing this video with your fellow journey enthusiasts might ignite next Greek adventure. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Travel Adventure. By doing so, you ensure that you don't miss out on our future, as we have many more exhilarating destinations to unravel. So go ahead, press that subscribe button, and let's continue exploring together. Until our next escapade, Efaristo, thank you, and keep the spirit of exploration burning.